Alright, 04 Expedition, running lean, and trying to find a leak. And what I did was, I took the hose, which is right here, off of my valve, which is right there. You can see it goes into the manifold, okay? And I found some hose I had kicking around, and also a cigar. And all I did to find this leak was, I'm going to show you here, puffing on my cigar, and blowing through the hose, and lo and behold, I found the leak. Dagnabbit, right there. Anyway, that's that. Cost me $7 for the cigar. That's about it. Later.